This is John DeVore, or his hand. Welcome to the DeVore Fidelity YouTube channel. Today is an unboxing video, and the relevance. Well, you know what? I'm going to start the unboxing, verify it is what I'm hoping it is, and then we will get on to the relevance. It is peanuts. This is what we are getting down to here. So, oh, that's a 10-inch long play, Ella. Ah, that's going to be a good one. I think now we are getting down to the layers that we were looking for. Yes, we are. I recognize this packaging. So let's get rid of the peanuts. Nice packaging. This is what we were looking for. So, the relevance. Why am I opening these? Why am I filming it? Get that. Nappy brown. Well, I am not going to do the Munich show this year. It is too expensive. There is a negative return on investment for me in that show. And that means I am going to do the AXPONA show in Chicago, which comes just a couple of weeks before Munich. And that's why I have never done that before as a manufacturer. I'm going to do it as a manufacturer this year. Well, let's say 2024. And I am pretty sure that I'm going to spin 78s at AXPONA for fun, and maybe to see some objectivists' heads explode. Stan Getz, Ella Fitzgerald. There's the Cordettes. So I'm going to go through these. Look at that. I confess, the clovers. Go through these, find ones that are demo quality. I've got to come up with a preamp to use that has the 78 curves in it. I was inspired, pretty obviously, I would say, by people who know these things, by my friend Michael Lavorgna, who just reviewed an integrated amplifier from Japan that includes 78 curves in its phono section that's built in. And so in order to test that, he came here and we played 78s for hours. Had so much fun, and that has inspired me. Look at that. Ernie Freeman jiving around. That has inspired me to possibly spin 78s in Chicago. So stay tuned for that. Meanwhile, Look at that. Hank Williams, Dear John. Cold, Cold Heart. Who's ever heard of that song? Ida Cox. Peppermint Harris. PH Blues. Peppermint Harris Blues. Let the back door hit you. So we'll see. I'll get the best sounding of these. Stardust Stomp. Look at that label. And pick a bunch from my collection. And we will be spinning at a very high rate of speed in Chicago. Al Jackson. Let's drink some whiskey. Oh, Joe Turner. Here we go. Louis Prima paper doll. Look at that. Promo. There's an OK promo. The DeJohn sisters. And that's it. Thanks for watching. And as things progress towards AXPONA and our preparation for that, I'll make a couple more videos. Till then, see you at the next video, and thanks.